Wood has always carried a whisper of time within its grain, a story told through growth rings, scent, and texture. It's more than a material, it's a legacy of craft passed from one generation to the next. Every woodworker who runs their hand over a smooth finish, who hears the hum of a saw or the soft rasp of sandpaper, knows that this material lives. And for those who can shape it with intention, wood becomes not just a medium for art but a path toward lasting income and fulfillment. In a world that moves fast and fades faster, wooden furniture stands steady. It doesn't just fill homes, it fills them with permanence. This is where tradition meets entrepreneurship, where a craftsman's hands become the source of both creativity and financial freedom. The beauty of working with wood lies in its honesty. It gives back exactly what you give it: effort, precision, care, and patience. The more attention you devote to every curve, joint, and surface, the more valuable the result becomes. And as demand grows for sustainable, handmade, and long-lasting pieces, the opportunities for woodworkers multiply. Wood that works isn't only about crafting furniture that endures time, it's about building a business that endures change, one that thrives through creativity, reputation, and quality. Wood furniture never goes out of style. Its charm is universal, found in every culture, every generation, every home that values warmth and authenticity. From solid oak dining tables to elegant pine cabinets, each wooden creation embodies something deeper than decoration. It speaks of reliability, comfort, and connection. That's what makes wooden furniture not only timeless in appeal but timeless in profitability. When you build with wood, you're not just crafting objects, you're crafting stories. A chair made from reclaimed timber tells of renewal. A shelf with live edges reminds people of nature's untouched beauty. A handcrafted coffee table can become the heart of a living room and a symbol of a family's everyday life. Buyers feel that emotional pull. They're not buying a product, they're buying meaning. That emotional connection is what transforms woodworking from a simple skill into a thriving, sustainable business. Every piece of wood carries its own character. The knots, grain lines, and color variations make each creation unique. This individuality is your advantage in a market saturated with identical, factory-made furniture. People today crave the human touch, furniture with soul. When you highlight natural imperfections instead of hiding them, your work becomes recognizable. A customer who buys one of your pieces doesn't just become a client, they become a storyteller, sharing your craftsmanship with others. Financial success in wood furniture comes from blending craftsmanship with smart design. It's not just about making beautiful things, it's about creating pieces that solve problems and fit lifestyles. Think about compact furniture for small apartments, modular shelves that adapt to changing needs, or foldable tables that mix style with function. When your designs offer solutions, they sell faster and at better prices. Sourcing your material wisely also affects your income. Reclaimed or locally sourced wood not only saves costs but adds narrative value. Customers love knowing their table was once part of an old barn, or their bench was made from salvaged beams. These details elevate simple items into conversation pieces. Moreover, they give your brand an ethical edge, a growing selling point in today's eco-conscious market. By highlighting sustainability, you align your business with values that resonate deeply with modern buyers. Finishing plays a defining role in how your furniture is perceived and priced. The right polish, stain, or varnish doesn't just protect, it transforms. A walnut table brought to life with oil and wax radiates warmth. A matte finish on maple chairs feels inviting and natural. Finishes are where craftsmanship meets emotion. They complete your work's personality and define its market worth. Never rush this part, it's the invisible signature your customers will feel every time they touch your product. Marketing, too, is a craft of its own. In this digital era, showcasing your furniture online opens endless doors. A few well-captured photos of your work in natural light can tell your story before a single word is spoken. Videos of you working in your shop, cutting, assembling, sanding, and applying finish build authenticity. Viewers connect not only with the product but with the person behind it. That trust becomes your strongest marketing tool. It converts curiosity into confidence and followers into paying customers. Pricing your furniture fairly is vital to building a lasting business. Don't undersell your craft. Each creation reflects hours of work, skill, and material. It holds value that deserves recognition. Buyers willing to pay for handcrafted furniture understand that quality lasts. You're not competing with mass production, you're offering something it can't replicate. Charge in alignment with your effort and uniqueness. When you value your work, others will too. As your craft grows, reinvest in tools and materials that elevate your results. A precision jointer, upgraded clamps, or a better dust system might seem like small improvements, but they enhance speed and quality. Efficiency builds profit, and consistent quality builds reputation. Over time, this reputation becomes your most powerful form of advertisement. A well-made piece seen in one home leads to recommendations, orders, and collaborations. The beauty of a woodworking business is its flexibility. You can start small, one table, one bench, one idea, and expand as demand grows. Each satisfied client becomes a stepping stone. You can sell locally, join artisan markets, or even ship globally through online platforms. Every new sale is proof that creativity and consistency can carve a sustainable income from something as timeless as wood. There's also a deeper satisfaction that money alone can't measure. Woodworking connects the maker to nature, the product to people, and the work to purpose. Every stroke of the chisel, every measured cut, and every polished edge reminds you that you're part of something ancient and enduring. It's a reminder that creation isn't just about commerce, it's about leaving behind beauty that lasts. In an age of quick profits and throwaway products, your craft stands apart. Wooden furniture continues to rise in value because it represents permanence in a temporary world. While others chase trends, you're building something that lasts. And that's the essence of success, not just financial, but personal and artistic. The scent of freshly cut timber, the weight of finished furniture beneath your hands, the quiet pride when a customer smiles at your work, these are the true rewards of woodworking. Wood That Works isn't just a title, it's a philosophy. It's about letting wood work for you, creating income, meaning, and legacy from every piece you shape. When you build with patience and purpose, your work becomes timeless. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.